A beautiful wedding took place over the weekend, uniting the daughter of the Obi of Nnewichi and her beloved spouse in a heartfelt ceremony at the Obi's compound. This joyous occasion brought together family, friends and community members, celebrating love and tradition in a vibrant display. The event was marked by colorful attire, traditional music and a festive atmosphere that filled the air with excitement. Guests were treated to a rich array of local delicacies, showcasing the culinary heritage of Nnewichi. The union of the couple was blessed with heartfelt speeches from family members, emphasizing the importance of love, unity and community support. The presence of the Obi and other dignitaries added a touch of grandeur to the celebration, making it a memorable occasion for all in attendance. This wedding not only symbolized the joining of two individuals, but also reinforced the bonds within the community, as everyone came together to share in the happiness of the newlyweds. With the festivities still fresh in the minds of the attendees, the celebration will sure resonate in the hearts of many for years to come. For Anedo TV, this is Priska Ezago reporting.
DJ. He also followed Lugaman. Ndago. One wise. Is one in a one day. I get wise.
Kuna before young one who die wine. No one didn't wear this compound ndị zụtala ana ebe anyị bi kpata ego anyị pụtazie kịta na-eli ego ndị ahụ kpatalụ maka ike adọrọzi anyị ikpe ego wee na-asị na nna anyị onye kaba mụtalụ eze nwa mụtala Adaobi nna anyị Jesu ka onye kaba na-ekwenụ nkwụ eze Oduma na-ekwe nkwụ eze Orumba na-ekwe nkwụ eze Oyin na-ekwe nkwụ eze nwa na-ekwe nkwụ ka ihe niile mkpọrọ bụ ndị bili n'obi a wee gafalụ wee lụta anyị nwa nọkịta maka na ha nwa zọtala ana ha nwa n'ụlọ ọgụ nata ndị mmadụ anakọ wụlọ ebe anyị pụtazie kịta anyị adazi anụ ọgịbe a na-eme kọt ka anyị na-eje onye mgbe gba ya akwụkwọ jebe kọt so onye ka anyị ji ekwu na kafa ga-ebu anyị ụzọ wee ṅụọ nkwụ a maka na ọ bụ na afọrọfa anyị afụ anyị ada ọkọsọm anyị nye ka anyị na-eme ọ kwụrụ taa ka ọ ya esiga anụ ọnụ ohio
nna anyị Obidugwu daalụ nne DJ let's go
efu ya ịkpọtara anyị ya ka nna anyị na nna anyị na ụmụnna amalị ya mmanya
everything.
you, DJ. Thank you.
And we have welcomed you.
Amen. Talo no. DJ.
All right, Nico. Julie good, you know, so.
Taking time, I'm going here.
That's about Nanganya. Julie good. You go cook just in a second. All right. Because it was, yeah. That's about now. Ogo. Go now when you go, Emala you know good be present yaka na cake. Of the all when you know it yaka na cake, Ogo. All I'm gonna know when you okay, Tano. One year, two person and Nabana Aduquebu. Oh, now what can you say to go? Yeah, Mirizo, yeah, that is Ozugo, Ado Bibiko, Ndashebi, or the mother Jerusalem. Or the Dana de Dia Kusha. All right, you know, I have to put one for Tata. All right, okay, 10 years, one cake here. Ona not 20 years, and I shot you just one cake here. Okay. Ona don't got 30 years, one cake here. Ona got 40, one cake here. All right. Ona got 50, one cake here. Ona got 60, one cake here. Ona got 70, one cake here. Ona got 80, one cake. Ona got 80 years, you know I know square far. Ona got 90, one cake here. Hey. Ona got 100, one cake here. Ah, that was one as well, guy. Oh my God, what you think years, one cake here. Let's about now, please. Somebody let the know. International MC are doing the most. Let's about now, One when you be unable to shadow. One when you be when the real guy goes moto. Only at the corner APC. Wait. Biko, big man. Biko.
It's easy to say.
Oh, now hug your wife.
Abia State, he get through Pagano, Oruso Boda, Fewena Renutona for Jesus. Famanzundi unknown government knows. Famanzundi Fulani has knows. Accident Yamanzude Fanoso. Oruso Gilberta see. Oga Beja and for Jesus. Are you wine on a bar? Ega goes there. He can make you present to persuade the Gideon and right. Because any line in a bata. Make a phone to Togi. Boss saw I got enough. I got enough to my knee home. Make a maragaba your back. When I'm ready, we can run your. The park I begin to get room baby. I know over so much number of again. Now, Jesus Christ, for your wife. Now, I can't tell them I'm not catching a canard on your own. Kajola Dubel, Chapel, Kajola make you fake you whenever no. Don't catch in a cacare waterman. Chabo, you need to channel. Now, my name I am catching a compare Jesus Christ to go away. Can go in catching a can keep me fenine. Bonna, no para, the monster did it to know. Dear Parauno, Gua, and Benine. On your wife, on your own. Actually,
and